If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And yes, I'm coming to you barefaced because one, I want to try a mask while I do a haul, and two, I was going to record earlier, but we were dodging tornadoes earlier, so they kind of avoided my city, but they were like all around us. So just tornado season in Alabama. So I'm going to try this mask and also show you what I picked up in a big old, or huge, but anyway, Ulta haul that was about free. I paid like $4 for this entire box of stuff because I saved up over 2,000 points, and if I hadn't made a mistake on a previous order, I would have paid nothing for all of this. So the only thing about doing that, when you save up your points, it doesn't count towards your platinum or diamond status, only what you actually spend money on. But Ulta has the greatest system, earn money back, and during your birthday month you get like double the points. Diamond usually has 1.25 points all the time anyway, and always gets the offers of like 5 times points a lot. And this one, like, I had $3.50 for spending $50 one time, and so I just saved them up for the first time, where I had over 2,000 points, and at 2,000 you get $125 free to spend on whatever you want. I mean, nowadays I think you can even use it for their like salon services and stuff like that. But yeah, so this is the first time I saved up to actually spend on some stuff, and I was going to say it was 21 Days of Beauty, but then they had this $5 off coupon for drugstore. I was afraid that like a lot of their sales that were happening with a few things weren't going to be on sale then, so I went ahead and grabbed something. So anyway, I'm going to try this Wonder Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off mask that we got a Boxycharm, just because I want to see what it does. Ooh, okay, so it's a little runny for a mask actually. We're just going to, it's pretty colorful. That on. Not thick, but it's like really to all peel off. They're very sticky. I'm not sure, like I got it everywhere. Hopefully to be able to peel off. Okay, one thing it was like, it's just automatically added to your cart with a purchase of 50, like a skincare sample pack, and I'll show you what the samples were. You got from Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Eye Vital Power Eye Gel Cream. Got an infusion and then an eye gel cream. So we'll packet that. Sample for all the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So you got the glow, which I actually didn't mind. It didn't break me out. You got the blur one, which does break me out, the original one. The 8-hour shine control that minimizes pores. That's in that purple one. I gave that purple one away, I think, but I didn't know it was supposed to minimize your pore or control shine. And it's actually like, you know, a nude color. And then the smooth blur, lightweight blur primer. And then a sample of Gimme Brow that I can't even find. Oh, it's number 3, which I think is a light brown, so it wouldn't work anyway. And then a sample of hydrating jelly, active cartridge concentrate, and then the hydration base. And you're supposed to mix them together. I don't know. Mix them together, and they're supposed to come like this, but you just mix the pack together somehow. And then sample of Lorax Light Source 3-in-1 illuminating primers, face primers. One is in dawn, one is in dusk. So first things first, if you don't remember my sheer joy, and I'm not going to open this, even though one of those is coming off, just 'cause I'm pretty sure it was packaged really well. They packed this sucker tight so nothing could come out of it, and like a bunch of stuff. But I already picked one up for me. But I was like, I'm going to send this to a friend because it's so cute. These are the little I Heart Revolution, which is a sideline of Makeup Revolution. Little donuts. They're $7. They smell like, this is the strawberry one, or raspberry one. It smells like raspberry and it's squeezy. Because this one, if y'all caught my last one, it was so much fun. And it has gorgeous colors and awesome pigmentation. I still haven't tried it, but that's what it looks like. And it has a mirror, which is so awesome. I mean, it's so convenient. You can get a few looks out of that, like quite a few. And so convenient, and $7. I have no doubt that those will work out. Now, I know with Sun Heart Revolution, or Makeup Revolution, specific brushes work better than others. Like, the denser the better, the more like just densely packed, not the white hair so much, but like from White One, but like their denser ones, like those work better with their other formulas. So I imagine those to be about the same, but I will try them out one day. And so I got this to send to a friend, but I also picked up the blueberry glazed donut because, well, I have to pick it up, and it is squishy. It's a little firmer than that strawberry one or raspberry one, and it does smell like blueberry, just a touch. And look at these gorgeous colors. Okay, that has the plastic over it, but look at that. Come on, mermaid vibes. How gorgeous is that? Yes. We'll give you a little swatch. Like, oh, so pretty. Okay, that one might need a little bit more building. Gorgeous. This one really has two mattes. Yeah. Oh, that center one's interesting. It's almost like a cream filling, and it's like opalescent or opalescent. Yeah, that one's gonna be a little chalky, but it's fine. That kind of light blue is harder to do. Like, yeah, that one's almost like a topper. It's so pretty, like inner corner. Like, pack that on because it's a shifting one. Yeah, I don't care. I think it's gorgeous. I'm gonna play around with that. I love these. Like, I can see me bringing these to Disney actually, if they like. I think they'll have a good formula, just because they're so convenient and small, and I can like pack all and like have all as many looks as I want. So yeah, I kind of see Disney as being an option for those. And if they break, like, that's my biggest thing. Like, if I bring an expensive palette or a palette that's hard to get, what if it breaks? What if like TSA hits it wrong or something like that? You know what I'm saying? But those are like $7, so not like detrimental. So grabbed this one's called the Maple Glaze, I do believe. Yeah, Maple Glazed. Yeah, how fun that is. It's for $7. They're so cute and squishy. And it does smell like maple. Like, not pure syrup, but you know, like a maple candy would, if you've ever smelled it. Now, this one is cute. It wouldn't necessarily be my go-to, but I mean, because it's very neutral looking. I thought it'd be a little bit more yellow, because, I don't know, but I do love a good copper. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. That's a good taupe. And I like this, because, like, it's not too light for me. Ooh, that's a pretty brown, actually. Ooh, okay, that's a pretty, that's an interesting, it's not quite gold. It has a little bit of, like, citrine green mixed in. That's gorgeous. So, here we go, yes. Okay, that taupe is blending completely in with my skin. Okay. That, look at that. I mean, you can't see the taupe because it's like my exact tan shade right now, but very, very pretty. So I saw this palette and they only had the ingredients for the matte shades. The matte shades did not contain carmine, so I was like, okay, maybe I'll be good. But this is called the Golden Gatsby from LA Splash, and they make their newer formula. They make the Devil and Angel lipsticks. They're a little bit drying. They're not completely horrible, but they're a little bit drying. Their older formula is like apparently horrible though, but they did have the funnest packaging. So anyway, this does not contain carmine at all, which I was excited. I read the back. I mean, this is still really pretty and cute. And then I opened it up, and it does have a mirror. And I was like, that so give me like chocolate gold vibes, like the glitter shades. Like these four are the glitters, and those so like are chocolate gold vibes right there. However, like in that palette I only have like one crease shade, and this one I have 5 really. Well, I don't know if I'd want to throw that dark brown in there, but at least 4, and that white is not going to do anything. This one's like slightly, oh wow, it's not soft, but daggum, I just barely went like that real quick and it gave me some color. Okay, so you do have black. It's like, it is the remnants of that, and then that mint julep color. I don't have like an olive green like that in my collection as far as I know. I just don't like gravitate. So that shade is French 75, Mary Rickford, Highball, Old Fashioned. Like these are like coming out really good. That's mint julep. So yeah. I'm like horrible at swatching today. It's fine. So then we got Hotsy Totsy. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. It's like freaking liquid metal. Ooh. Okay, these are glitters. That's what it is. That gold is definitely glitter. That's Ritzy. This is Sheba. This is Zazzled. Okay. Almost emerald green. It looks a little darker than this in the pan. And then you got your black and Speak Easy. I mean, all these shades have glitter in them, but this one's definitely going to need a glitter glue because it's almost flaky, or applied with your finger. One of the two. But it goes on really smooth with your finger. But you still might need a glitter glue because the glitter. But that is actually a gorgeous palette. Hopefully not get totally messed up on the box. I picked this up for a friend. It was nice enough to pick something up for me. So this is actually going to be part of her birthday too. So yeah, consider this part of your birthday. But I will show you. This is the Riviera by Anastasia. It's their new palette. I cannot use that. I don't even think there's one shade without carmine. There might be one. But this is actually like a canvas. It's kind of neat material, like almost like denim. And of course you get the mirror. And I wish this was carmine free. Look how gorgeous that is. Well, these are like shimmer. That one has like multi glitter, color glitter in it. Gorgeous matte. So she's telling me how much she likes that. Like, okay. Yeah, that's why I didn't get my hopes up high when they announced that palette and showed it. I was like, I'm not even gonna get my hopes up. You can see how well they packaged everything. Okay. I decided I finally wanted to bite the bullet and get this foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, which people love. I got shades 460 and 470, and 460 is, it does have sunscreen of 25 in it, which is really good. This is the shade Golden Beige is 460, and I think this one's Honey. Radiant Honey. Okay, one of these, probably leaning more towards that one, but this one isn't far off, or shouldn't be too far off. I was trying to guess, but it was buy 2 get 1 free. So I also picked up the concealer in Cashew, which might be a little dark from under eye. We'll see. No, it's probably a good face shade. I thought I was going light on that, probably not. But I still wanted to try it out. I got from LA Girl the Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigment in white. And I also got the blue one. Now, if you don't know, blue is apparently supposed to cancel out yellow in foundations, which is my problem with a lot of foundations, especially when I went, this is actually supposed to be a cool instead of a neutral, because I found the neutral really yellow, and this one's the same daggum thing. I mean, I bought this at the end of summer, so it's a little darker, but it's still so yellow. But this one's supposed to be like a cool, and I figured maybe I'd be less yellow. No. So I'm gonna actually try it out one day, because I haven't really good try, because I hated the color so much it turned me off the foundation. So I'm gonna try this. But however, I might be like an avatar for Halloween or something. This will come in handy for that as well. So, but that's what I was thinking for the whites. I mean, it's a foundation kind of thing. I think it'd be really good for Halloween. And then I had like a $5 off at Jug Store. Like I had to spend like $10 to get $5, which I did with the foundation. So I got $5 off of them. So yeah, so that was my haul. Let's see if this is ready to peel. It should be. It's peeling, not in like one big old sheet. It's taking way too long to peel off. Apparently you need a thicker layer, so I'm gonna go. Like probably wash it off more like. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe. However, it feels okay. It's not uber soft, a little soft. We'll see how my face looks tomorrow and reacts tomorrow to this mask. But thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Toodles!